Hey guys, it's the Sunday. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the subwoofer brand name SONODYNE. Do you know about the SONODYNE? SONODYNE is a brand and based on India, and is the manufacturing brand of speaker system. And the SONODYNE, the founder of the SONODYNE, the founder name of the SONODYNE brand is Mr. Ashok Mukherjee. So let's start. So this is this SONODYNE, this brand. This is the SONODYNE brand, and this is the subwoofer, and this is the filter case. Just it is attached to each other with a magnet button. There's the magnet button, and here you can find the name SONODYNE. And this is the indicator, and this is this woofer, and this is the completely woofer, and what is printed backside the SONODYNE powered subwoofer, design and manufacturing by SONODYNE India, serial number and caution. And this is the power socket, and this is the on-off power button. This is the audio input, left and right, and this button is frequency to increase your frequency, and this is the level, and this level means a bus, increase your bus. And this is, and you find that there's two hole, and you can see just what is inside the box, and it is the phase. You can see it is the phase. The phase is 0 degree and phase is 180 degree. The level, it is the frequency 50 Hertz to 150 Hertz. This is the frequency. And it's a power cable, 3-pin power cable, just like a computer power supplier, just like a computer power supplier. And to attach it, and this is a packet. This is a packet. It's from SONODYNE. So SONODYNE is www.sonodyne.com. And now, so what is the main dimension? The main dimension is the SONODYNE Technologies Private Limited, product row 1108, net quantity 1 piece, gross weight 18 kgs, and net weight 17 kg, volume manufacturing date 14 December 2018, and the main dimension 515 into 450 into 455 millimeter, and manufacturing in Indian rupees 23,220 inclusive of all taxes and customer service +913322877160 and response and the email response@sonodyne.com and head office 98 NB Block East, New Alipur, Kolkata 700053, India. This is Sonodyne, and this is inside the box. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to subscribe my video channel and click on the bell button. Check out some of my other interesting video. So take care. God bless you. Bye bye.